Welcome to Anything Goes with Stale. I'm your host, Jenny. Today we're in Taipei, Ximending area. Follow me this evening as I enjoy all my favorite snacks when I visit this area. Come check it out. Ximending has long been a culture hub for Taipei's youth. It was originally designed as a grid-shaped entertainment district. It has also been the birthplace of iconic local foods. On a warm day, what better way to start our food tour than with a refreshing, uniquely Taiwanese cold drink? Starfruit Ice. This place has been in Ximending since 1966. It's one of the places you cannot miss when you visit this area. 这个小杨桃一个凤梨。A little bit salty and a little bit sweet. It's a perfect combination. In the lively corners of Ximending, you will often see people scattered around, comfortably standing or squatting on the street as they savor their noodles. This vermicelli place in Taipei is so famous that every day there's a long queue. It's a must-visit place when you come to Ximending area. Originally a humble street stall, Ay-Chung flour rice noodle became a local favorite. Customers would gather, standing to enjoy their meals directly from the vendor, who had no shop or seating. This practice of standing and eating has evolved into a cherished tradition, continuing to this day. Smells so good. Hot and delicious, like me. Fried chicken can be found in almost every country's cuisine, each with its own unique twist. Hot-Star large fried chicken uses traditional Chinese herbs to marinate their chicken, creating an irresistible flavor that keeps people coming back for more. So excited. Can't wait. Hot-Star large fried chicken. People said this chicken steak is bigger than your face. I can't wait. Look at this place. So many food to eat here. This is one of the most famous marinated foodstuffs here in Ximending area. People come here will always get something from their shop. Let's try. This is the famous dog wings. It's very aromatic and very chewy. That's why there are always so many people queuing up just to get a taste of this marinated foodstuff. Back in the 60s and 70s, Yangji Ice was a hotspot for young lovebirds. Though it's no longer the top date-night destination, the charm of its simple yet scrumptious desserts continues to delight. So special, you never see corn and peanuts together on a sweet dessert. But it's tasty, I promise you. Let's try it. What a great combination. The kind of combination you don't have elsewhere. I had an amazing evening here in Ximending, tasting all my favorite snacks. So thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more fun people and fun experiences here in Taiwan. See you next time. Bye-bye.